guys, it's Coach Nancy here, and I want to talk to you about non-scale victories. Often we tend to focus on the number on the scales, and if that isn't moving, that might make us feel a bit disappointed. But there are many other victories off the scales that can have positive effects on our wellness and our well-being. Number one, if you've developed a healthy habit of exercising daily, that's a huge achievement. You're moving your body every day and you'll be reaping the rewards. Number two, if you've stopped an unhealthy habit, like talking negatively to yourself, that's worth acknowledging that you are now being more kind to yourself. Number three, fitting into jeans that you haven't been able to fit in for a while feels great, and that's worth shouting about. If you use a tape measure, you might find that you've lost some centimeters, even if the scales have showed that you've plateaued. Number four, feeling more confident and positive within is definitely up there for me. Knowing just how hard you've worked and how far you've come is one of the best feelings. Number five, better sleep is a huge victory. It can make a difference in how you feel day to day, giving you more energy throughout the day for your steps, your goals, or even partaking in activities or things that you may not have had energy to do before. If you take care of these NSVs, the pounds will take care of themselves. You've got this.